Yeah!
Two!
Two!
Two! Bum, bum, ba, 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 bum, bum, ba, 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 bum, bum, ba, 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 bum. Hey, what's up guys? On my way to Tianzefang, which is a cool urban street market, something I guess similar to Biscuit Mall back home in Woodstock. I'm probably the only Cape Townian that hasn't been to the Biscuit Mall yet. I only know what it's like based on what people tell me, but I'm pretty certain this is a cool equivalent here in Shanghai. I'm going to be going there today, meeting a friend from Durban, South Africa, which is really, really cool. He's a good guy. His name is Simon Barnes, and we're also going to go get him a flash at the camera market. And the camera market, I'm pretty certain you guys are going to love. If you love cameras and you like gear, and if you're looking for some gear, drop me an inbox, so I'll let you know when I meet up with him, and we'll chat some more then. Right, so I'm here with my buddy Simon Barnes, all the way from Durban, South Africa, hasn't been in South Africa in a while.
Been a while.
But he might pick up visiting soon. I'm trying to convince him when I come home for him to come with me.
Doing a good job.
We'll see how that goes, crossing fingers. We just met at Tao Puchao station and we're on our way to the camera market, where we're gonna get this guy a flash for his fancy Sony. Not my brand. When I think Sony, I think PlayStation, but
good.
He says it's the business, so we'll see what it's all about later. We'll test the flash, see what's going on, and of course I'll show you around the camera market, which is a really cool spot. And then afterwards, some churros again, maybe?
Churros, yeah.
Churros, yeah, that'll be good. What's the name of this place?
The camera market.
Okay, it's called the Camera Market. It's a cool place. It's essentially 3 stories on this side. And you can see how wide it is, of endless amount of cameras, fixing cameras, film cameras, old cameras. And then further down, it's about 7 stories of cameras. And look what Simon just spotted. South Africans are everywhere. South Africans abroad. He's even singing the national anthem. Like I said, I wasn't kidding. If you're looking for old school film cameras, look at all these bad boys. And trust me, I don't think you'll get a better price here, let alone the availability of some of these cameras. I mean, this is just one store of about, let's say, 50 different stores selling variations of the same thing. Look at the craftsmanship in this Konica. Wow. How's this shot? Every camera you can ever think of. Spares, lenses, what? Dude, I need a lot more money to live the lifestyle I'm lusting for over here. Every Leica lens known to man. Present. All these rollers. Where? Oh, look at these bodies. Dude, I mean, I think 50 Cent just ordered a camera, but forgot to pick it up. And every other gangster rapper. Why did they pick up their cameras? Huh? Yo! So time to get the ZAR value. Old school, with only film cameras. Damn, I need this in my life. We all know you gotta be a boss in order to own these kind of cameras. Very helpful. This is prices, by the way, and if ever you're wondering what things cost, you just basically times the Kwai value and to get the ZAR value. So if that's 1.6, you just times it by 2. Okay, so we just left the camera market, which we rushed through quite a bit looking for some camera gear. I think we got what we're looking for. I know Simon's stoked because he got a flash somewhere. Let's have a look at that flash. Where is it? Am I making jokes?
I don't know.
No! Simon is running, so I gotta run. We'll find it, dude, don't worry.
interesting out, man. I'm thinking maybe I left it in the shop.
Ta-da!
Bada boom.
Look what Simon found. So we are officially at Tianzefang. Tianzefang. I always butcher that. I always get it horribly wrong, but we're here now, and we're going to show you what it's like to cruise it down in the biscuit mall of Shanghai. And I think we're just going to hang out, walk it down. I don't think we're even going to eat today. We just basically wanted to share with you how cool this place is. So I'll flip the camera down, and you'll see exactly what I'm on about and why I like this place so much. Walking into this leather-bound goodness, basically awesome journals, bags, rucksacks, even cell phone covers for leather.
Tianzefang.
Tianzefang. Okay, next time I'm gonna get it right, I promise. Tianzefang.